I'm in a mood to act touristy, so I'm going to hold the Burj Al Arab. Yeah, see, on my palm. See, I'm Superman. What's up, people? So here I am at the Buffalo Wild Wings, and it's obviously known for its chicken wings. Hence, I'm here. So let's go check it out. So guys, here we are at the Ice Lab. Yeah, there it is. For what? Wait and watch. So Ice Lab behind there has my weakness. Nutella jar shakes, and they're like this huge. We have stopped at a place called the Tea Way, and we are placing the order in the car and picking up some known teas. This is the place, Tea Way at Jumeirah. Interesting. Honestly, I am not a tea kind of a person. चाय का कुछ बड़ा craze नहीं है मुझे. So these people I'm going to have, I might just sip it. हिरेन, तू क्या ऊंची चाय पी रहा है?
ज़ाफ़रान टी ब्रो. केसर है इसमें. Superb.
What do you think about the view? So finally, here we are at the Dubai Food Fest. Like finally! So let's not waste any more time and head to this beautiful location. So now we are walking towards the Dubai Food Fest. Looks fantabulous.
Finally is reached.
Yes, finally I have reached.
Finally.
Oh guys, this place is filled with so much of food, and like food trucks are in a line out there, a chain of food trucks out there. So I have been seeing places around. The vibe is really very positive and warm. People out here are smiling, each one of them. So there is a massive food variety that is available over here. Obviously, the Dubai Food Fest. At the same time, they have a lot of lifestyle stuff. Yeah, so I was saying that they also have a place for kids to play and chill, and parents can leave their kids, I think, and just go out and see the place around. Really live music out here, and some major food stalls, like a lot of them out here. So I think it's time to say goodbye to this place and head somewhere else. So guys, here we are at the Papa Roti at Dubai, and it's very well known for its buns, like nice flavored cheese and chocolatey bun. Here we are guys, Arus Damascus. It's known for its food over here. That's what I've heard. So let me try. Hey people, so now we are leaving from Arus Damascus, and good quality of food, some hits and some misses. And I would definitely recommend the kunafa out here. It's a dessert. It is a must try. Trust me, you'll fall in love with it. मुंबई से दुबई ये भाई आया है, इसके आगे का राय मुझे नहीं आता है. Now trying to find a cab. Hope I get it. तो गाइस हमारे साथ यहाँ पे खलील साहब है। खलील साहब आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं पाकिस्तान पेशावर से।
पाकिस्तान पेशावर से है आप? कितने साल से आप यहाँ पे?
6 साल से।
6 साल से। और अभी आपने मुझे बताया कि आप हर कितने साल में जाते हैं? 15 महीने
15-16 महीने के बाद।
फैमिली को मिस करते हैं आप?
लाजिम बात है, मिस करेगा। लाजिम बात है।
ये reached जुमेरा बीच। खलील साहब धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, शुक्राना। और I am at the Jumeirah beach. I'm getting goosebumps. I can show. I don't know if I can see this, but I'm getting goosebumps. Wow. I'm in a mood to act touristy, so I'm going to hold the Burj Al Arab. Yeah, see, on my palm. See, I'm Superman. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Guys, one thing I missed telling you all is that every beach front or a mall front, not all, have this pathway. Yeah, so this is a jogging track because walking or running on concrete is not advisable. Hence this. How cool is this? So just imagine beach, jogging track, Burj Al Arab. Best of all worlds, man. And as of now I am a little confused. Where should I head? This way or this way? Both are so beautiful, and if you can hear the wind, it is so calm out here. Guys, look at this. They're flying so low that I'm afraid that they might just crash into me. And I think I'm a little overdressed to be on the beach right now. I didn't anticipate this. I didn't know this is going to come my way. I was born in the water. Yeah. So those people behind, they just gave me a very dirty look looking at me. So just to feel a little more comfortable, I have rolled up my jeans. और फिलहाल मैं हिंदी में इसलिए बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे आगे अंग्रेज़ों की एक टोली जा रही है और मेरे को पलट पलट के देख रही है, इसके लिए। Time to say goodbye to this beautiful beach and go to yet another beautiful location. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. So guys, here we are at the best place where you get all the food, and there's an amphitheater right now. And here I am at the Mall of Emirates, Ski Dubai. Anyone wants to join skiing? एक रेगिस्तान में इन्होंने पूरा स्नो का शहर बसा लिया, तो क्या बोलूँ मैं तुमको, दुबई क्या बोलूँ? Okay, I just asked and there's a lot of waiting over here if I want to go skiing. So I don't think I'll be doing it now. Let me check out the mall and see if it's possible later. देखते हैं तो क्या मैं इसकी दुबई की किस्मत में लिखा हूँ या नहीं, ये सवाल बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा। Whoa, this mall is huge and it smells so pure. I mean, I'm very tempted to shop right now. I mean, that was not on my agenda, but I think I can shop. So this is also one heck of an experience. I'm really very stuck right now and I would have eaten something, but I'm enjoying this. Whoa, 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 look what I found! Cheesecake Factory. So they have like this big a cheesecake. I hope I can have at least one. Don't be stunned. This is the Cheesecake Factory restaurant which I'm sitting in. Hey guys, so yeah, last minute touch-ups. Done with my freshening up. Heading now somewhere. I don't know where. Stay tuned. Tonight's the last night in Dubai, so we want to make it an epic one. So tomorrow this time I'll be back in Mumbai, from Dubai to Mumbai, so enjoying the pleasant weather out here. Dubai time के हिसाब से I'm going to take off at 10:30 and 1.5 घंटा late I'm reaching as per India time. So it's time to say goodbye to Dubai, checking out the hotel, and the vacation is over. Damn! And I have a late night flight, so I'm definitely going to check out something else in Dubai. Let's see what it is. Hey people, so here we are at the Hamptons Cafe, and I've heard it's very well known for its brunch. And guys, this was the Hamptons Cafe, where the ambience was so beautiful, like in complete awe of it. Wow. And of course, the food and the fruit products, being an organic place, it was tremendously good and very filling and heavy. It is a must visit at the Jumeirah Road when you visit Dubai, because you will go head over heels. It is a little steep in pricing, but not too steep, but it's worth the quality that they serve. Yes, so for the ones who want good quality, a good ambience, a good view and a very good vibe, Hamptons it is. I'm gonna miss Dubai, and I hope you all have liked Dubai from my eye. Guys, I hope you liked the Younger Blogger in Dubai, and if you all did, obviously like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe, and obviously follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. The regular thing. Just keep doing it. Have fun. Take care.